Imagine building a successful YouTube channel without ever stepping in front of a camera. In 2026, this is not just possible, it's easier than ever. Thanks to powerful AI tools, you can automate almost every part of the process, from scripting and editing to visuals, voiceovers, and even thumbnails. Today, let's explore 10 winning niches for faceless YouTube channels that are set to explode in 2026, and why each one is a smart choice for creators looking to earn income while staying behind the scenes. First up is the world of AI tutorials and automation. Viewers are hungry for quick, actionable guides on how to use the latest AI tools. Think videos like how to create faceless videos with AI or top AI tools for business automation. This niche is evergreen, has high ad rates, and is perfect for affiliate marketing. With AI handling most of the workflow, you can produce content quickly and tap into massive search demand. Next, motivation and self-improvement content never goes out of style. Using AI voiceovers and stock footage, you can create inspiring videos that reach huge audiences. These channels are great for ad revenue and affiliate links, especially for books, courses, and productivity tools. The best part? You can go viral with shorts and long-form videos alike. Luxury lifestyle content is another winning niche. People love watching videos about yachts, private jets, and luxury homes, even if they're just dreaming. Faceless channels can showcase wealth habits, billionaire routines, and luxury travel using stock footage and AI-generated visuals. These videos attract massive views with minimal original content. Tech tutorials and reviews are booming, especially with the rise of AI-generated content. Faceless channels can create step-by-step guides on building apps, using new software, or exploring the latest gadgets. This niche offers some of the highest ad rates on YouTube and is ideal for affiliate marketing. Wellness and productivity content is always in demand. You can make faceless videos about fitness challenges, meal planning, mental health tips, and productivity hacks. With AI voiceovers, animated icons, and calming backgrounds, these videos are easy to produce and highly searchable. Mini documentaries are skyrocketing in popularity. Topics like true crime, historical events, tech innovations, and conspiracy theories keep viewers hooked. AI tools can help with script writing, scene generation, and audio cleanup, making it easier than ever to create engaging, high watch time content. Product reviews are a classic YouTube niche, and you don't need to show your face to succeed. Use stock footage, AI product demos, and voiceover narration to review tech gadgets, home organizers, fitness tools, and more. This niche is a powerhouse for affiliate marketing. Ambient and relaxation channels rack up millions of views with faceless videos featuring rain sounds, fireplace ambience, and nature loops. AI-generated visuals and royalty-free audio make it simple to create endless content that people love to play in the background. Finance and investing content is another high-earning niche. Turn topics like side hustles, investing, or crypto trends into short, animated videos using AI tools. These channels enjoy some of the highest ad rates on YouTube and attract viewers looking for actionable advice. Finally, software tutorials are always in demand. Record your screen and narrate walkthroughs for tools like Canva, Shopify, or ChatGPT. With AI narrators and simple editing, you can produce helpful content that viewers search for every day. Faceless YouTube channels are thriving because AI handles most of the work. You can stay private, upload faster, and even run multiple channels at once. You don't need to be a traditional creator anymore. You just need a system, and AI is that system. Those are the 10 winning faceless YouTube niches for 2026. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications, because 2026 is your year to build a YouTube channel that earns on autopilot.